Logitech's G610 might be old this time, even if it only came out in early 2016. Even if it's just 2 years old, it's still a good mechanical keyboard, which can be utilized for gaming, for daily regular usage, or multi-purpose reasons. There's great news, because the keyboard is on discount, and it's only $59 today. The $30 discounted item can be purchased at Amazon. The $60 off is certainly a huge treat. The G610 has macro support, dedicated controls for media, per-key lighting, and Cherry MX red switches. The RGB lighting isn't fancy, but the mechanical keyboard is solid, and it's awesome for its price. It has good average reviews on Amazon. It has 4/5 stars from 250+ customer reviews. The Logitech G610 is like a tank because of its thick plastic. Its industrial-grade material can take a beating. It is a winner if aesthetics will be discussed. The chassis of the item has a matte finish, and its keys provide a streamlined look on its board. The logo of Logitech is embedded on the top left of the keyboard, and it lights up. Hardcore fans of the company will definitely feel proud of this item. The G610 has 3 switch selections, and they're blue, brown, and red, and all of them are great. The media control buttons of the keyboards are discrete. Its white backlighting is programmable, so it's good value. The setbacks could be it doesn't feel durable as some Cherry MX keyboards. It doesn't have audio and USB ports. This model feels like a lesser version of G810. However, the models with more features are expensive, and some people might not really use all the additional functions, and it's an additional expense. With the current discount, one can say that it's a steal. It's a great time to buy a mechanical keyboard, especially for those who haven't tried one yet. Some reasons for getting one are typing on them feels different because they give better satisfaction. The crunch on the keys and feedback are more satisfying. And of course, they'll last longer. Those who are looking for other models or options can check the Razer Huntsman Elite, Logitech G513, Rockcat Vulcan 120 IMO, Corsair K63 Wireless, Cooler Master Set MS120, Habit Low Profile Mechanical Keyboard, HyperX Alloy Elite, Corsair K68 RGB, SteelSeries Apex M750, and Razer Synosa Chroma. The Logitech G610 is a good buy because it's affordable and it's with a discount. Those who yearn for a mechanical keyboard can gauge through G610 if it's their thing.